Where is my wife? Where is my wife?
Fred, all of a sudden you realized you have a wife and want to care about her well-being, right? You think I was sick?
Daddy, it seems like Mommy won the game.
What game?
Yes, game. Like you told me when I caught you carrying Mommy from the bedroom to the living room.
Oh, hey man, Fred, I'm not part of this from the onset. I was briefed.
Neither was I party to it. I just got to find out when I first met you.
Why?
I should be the one asking you why. Fred, why did you do that to me? Why did you torture me this much? I will sleep in the room, you will bring me to the sitting room. I was wondering what was wrong with me. Why did you do that to me, Fred? What have I done to deserve all of that? As if that is not enough. You served a divorce paper. How heartless could you be? Well, if you must know, you promised her a big toy. I promised her mother's undying love. And she spilled your secret.
Mommy, what's the problem? Why are you crying?
It's nothing. Just a mother's thing.
Don't tell me nothing, because I have been watching you, and there is something big bothering you.
Something big?
Yes, something big. And you think I don't know?
My child, you're still a baby and you know absolutely nothing about feelings yet.
I'm serious, Mom. In fact, I know why you're crying, and I'm ready to let go of the toy that was promised to me to tell you a big secret that will make you win.
A big secret? What's that? What secret? Who promised you a toy?
I will not tell you unless you tell me why you're crying.
I'll tell you, in as much as you're still a child, but I know you'll grow into a beautiful woman someday. You see, I wouldn't want you to hear it from outsider or your father. I would want to tell you myself, hence I'm going to do this. Princess, your father and I are going our separate ways.
I don't understand, Mom.
Okay. Listen. Your father is divorcing me. I've talked to him to make him change his mind. I've pleaded with him, but he wouldn't budge. He kept on insisting on a divorce. For some time now, I sleep in the room, I wake up in the sitting room. I don't know why that is happening. I guess that's the reason your father wants to divorce me. And it's eating me up. This is not what I ever wanted for us. I love my husband. I love you, baby. I love our family. I never envisaged this. Hence, I'm broken. But I'll be fine.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
You must promise me that you'll keep a secret. And you buy me an even bigger toy than Daddy promised me.
I will. You know I can do anything for you, my princess. Darling.
Daddy said he's playing a game with you and he wants to win. That's why he keeps carrying you from the bedroom to the living room in the night. He wants you to fall for him and make him to win.
Fred, why? Why? Oh, God. It's okay. Do you know what? Come here. You keep pretending like you never told me anything. Okay?
Okay, Mommy.
Thank you, my baby. You know Mommy loves you. Come here. Thank you. Go thank your stars. Our daughter here is your saving grace.
My intentions got out of proportion. This wasn't my plan at all. Please, find it in your heart to forgive me. Please.
Don't touch me. I will not. You are heartless. You are mean. You're very, very wicked, Fred. Do you know the amount of stress you put me through? Do you know the magnitude of what you did to me? And look at you, here, expecting me to throw everything to the wind and forgive you. You destroyed every bit of feelings I had for you. You shattered the love I had for you. The only person that kept me in this house up until now is our child princess. Else I would have been long gone.
I love you.
You don't love me. You don't even know what love is all about. You can't treat me like this if you truly love me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This wasn't my intention at all.
There's no point, kneeling. If you know what's good for you, stand up and continue with your game.
There is no game. Benita, find it in your heart to forgive me. Please.
He's my cousin.
So, Joyce, this whole thing, you masterminded it.
Well, I only gave an advice. An ordinary ABC turned out to be an equation. That's why I rushed in and I suggested the nearest hospital when she passed out. And the doctor is working with us.
Doctor. What have I done to myself?
As a matter of fact, you've really done too much to yourself for hurting me so dearly. Do you know the amount of what you did to me? What happened to you? Fred, what happened to us? People envied us. Everything was moving smoothly. We were perfect. Then you suddenly changed. morning, darling. You're ready for work.
Yes, I am.
Let me help you adjust your collar. So, it's better you stay for a breakfast.
Nope. I want beverages, but there's no beverages at home, so I'll take coffee at work. Then go to the market, stock up the house with some beverages.
It's okay. Alright, baby. Do have a beautiful day at work.
You too. Go through it. Sign it. I'll see you when I come back from work. I'll call you. Take good care of yourself. I love you.
I love you very much.
Hi, how are you? Open.
Why would Fred want to do this?
So don't tell me Fred wants that without any reason.
I just told you we're fine. As a matter of fact, we live in peace. We've not been having issues. I'm just confused.
This is not ordinary. Something is wrong somewhere. And you don't need to relent.
What would you rather have me do? Joyce, tell me. I just told you we're cool, nothing is wrong. All of a sudden, he woke me up this morning and served me the letter.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Well, it's a little late right now, but I'll advise you, do not sign it. Tell him to give you some time to sort yourself out. I'll talk to him about it.
Well, I think that sounds good. Thank you.
I think that will work. It's okay. So where are my goods?
Okay, Rita! Rita! Please bring my friend's order, okay? Don't worry, I'll give you your 5% discount.
Oh, thank you very
And I have a top I'd like to give to you. Just a gift from me to you.
Oh, I thought you wanted me to spend more.
No, don't worry. I got you.
Hey, babe. Are you still at the shop, or would you want me to come pick you? Huh? Alright. Alright. Hey, baby.
Hi, honey. You're welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine. How's your day at work?
My day was fine, and yours?
You can go freshen up while I serve dinner.
Dinner is ready.
It is ready.
Wow. Alright, I'll be down in the jiffy. Alright, in the jiffy.
Fred, what is really going on? What are you up to? Are you serious or you're acting a movie? Is this some sort of trick or something? What exactly is going on? You're confusing me.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
Well, I was talking about Princess.
Oh, Princess. That reminds me, they should be vacating in 2 days' time, so she should be home.
You know I never liked this idea of boarding school.
How many times do we need to repeat this word? Boarding school is best for her. I'm always busy. You are too. So who'll take care of her if she's home? Boarding is most preferable if you ask me. You are such a good cook. You know, Ryan? What? Great, man. What is it?
I want us to talk.
Talk? Babe, can't it wait till morning?
No, I want us to talk now.
I'm listening. I'm listening.
It's about the letter you gave me this morning. I've been wondering, why do you want a divorce? Why?
All that. I know that you love me and I love you too. But you see, this whole commitment, responsibilities, I don't think I'm ready for it. Something is weighing me down.
I don't get it. I don't understand you. We are doing very fine. Everything is moving well. Your work, my shop. I mean, we are good. Why would you want to divorce me?
Sweetie, it's not about your shop. It's not about my work either. I just want you to understand me. I'm not used to this kind of deep commitment. But that's not to say you don't love me. That's not to say love doesn't exist here. It's just that, you know, I'm just not ready. But it's late. Let's try and sleep.
Okay. Baby. I'm sorry. Maybe I've wronged you and you don't want to talk to me about it. I just want to apologize. I love you so much, Fred. I don't want a divorce. I want you.
Babe.
Please.
It's not about you.
It's about what then?
Sweetie, it's late. Come sleep. We'll talk about it in the morning. It's quite late. Come here. Come, please. Come on, baby. Come. Please, come and sleep. It's late. You have work to do in the morning. Have you signed the divorce paper? My lawyer needs to see it.
Well, I haven't. You need to give me some time, Fred. It's not as easy as it looks. I didn't plan to ever divorce you. It came as a shock to me. I need time to process this whole thing. I need time to come in terms with the fact that you are no longer mine. I need time to summon the courage to sign the papers. And I need some time.
Good. How much time do you need?
Fred, you really want to do this?
Oh, goodness. Are we going to keep talking about this over and over again? It is what it is. Just tell me, how long do you need to sign the papers? How much time you need?
Give me a month.
1 month then. See you later.
Are you out of your mind? You crazy or something? What do you mean you want to divorce her?
Benita and I have been having serious issues and it doesn't look like what I want for marriage.
You must be sick. What are you talking about? Listen, you have a good job. She's doing well in business. You love her and she loves you too. So what could be the reason?
There are too many commitments, too many responsibilities. I am not sure I'm ready.
Wait a minute. Are you running away from responsibilities? Oh, is that why you want to divorce her? Then you need some medical examination. Listen, let me tell you. Benita is the best woman. If you lose her, you'll regret it the rest of your life. Why would you want to divorce her? Honestly, you will never be happy in case you're seeing another woman.
What are you talking about? You know me, I'm not a cheat, you know. I love Benita. It's just that I don't think we're compatible, that's it.
You love her. I can hear you talk. You love Benita and yet you want to divorce her. Anyway, like I said, you need some medical examination. Yes, you need to be examined. Love indeed. You love Benita and yet you want to divorce her.
What is it? This thing has been eating me up.
Welcome, my sister.
Thank you. I decided to come see you since I haven't heard from you since morning. Did you sign it?
I did as you asked.
Oh, good. So what was his reaction?
Surprisingly, nothing. He just walked out. Well, he accepted you.
I have this feeling Fred is seeing someone else. Please.
I can understand why you're feeling that way, but no, my husband is the most faithful and caring man on earth. He can't possibly be seeing any woman. I'm sure he's not cheating on me. I'm trying to figure out where all this problem is coming from.
So why is he doing all this? Why?
That's a million question I can't answer. But cheating is out of it.
Hello. Hi. How are you doing?
Fine. And your day?
Great. I thought you said you were closing up when I called you. Go to sleep. I feel you'll be hungry by now, so I said to get you something.
I was hungry, but I'm okay now because I've been thinking about a whole lot.
I understand. Work stress. Well, not to worry, everything will be fine. I'll just be on my way now.
Okay.
Thank you. So I'll call you. Be good. Don't stress yourself.
Fred, look me in the eyes and tell me you truly want this divorce.
I truly want this divorce. Just waiting for time to elapse.
No, you don't. You're obviously lying to yourself, because if you truly want this divorce, you would have stopped caring. Why are you caring? Why are you keen about me?
My bad. I'm wired that way. I cannot stop being caring. Just like that.
You just lied. You're not wired that way. I know what it is. I know the game you're playing with me. You're trying to break me. You are toying with my emotions. I get it. I get it, Jack. You want to see me cry? You want to break me? Fred, you have done all of that to me. Could you please stop now?
I take exceptions to that. I do not like to see you cry. It's just that it's not something I want. I'm not ready. I need that to get into your thick head.
No. That's not the point. I know what it is, Fred. You found someone else. You're seeing someone else. You're doing everything to get me off your way so you can enjoy life with a special person you found.
Benita.
Could you please tell me who the girl is? Who is she?
Benita, you're one of the people who know me well. You know I'm not a cheat. I'm just not ready. But that doesn't mean I don't love you. I love you.
Oh, please stop it. What do you know about love? Do you even know anything about love? Fred, you don't love me. Because if you do, you will never ask for a divorce, especially when I know I haven't done anything wrong to you.
My heart is broken. But I want this divorce. Over and out.
Fred, we're still talking.
Not talking.
Fred, you're walking out on me. Fred, I said what? Fred! Fred! Fred, we're not done with this conversation. No, not again. What is happening to me?
Good morning. No. I want to know why you abandoned me here and went to the living room to sleep.
I abandoned you. Are you serious? What is going on?
This doesn't make sense to me. You mean you slept in your room and found yourself in your living room? Is it that somebody took you there, or maybe you sleepwalk?
I'm perplexed. I don't know what to say. The whole thing is so confusing to me.
Things are becoming more complicated.
You're right. I've never experienced this before.
This is confusing. It is.
I don't know. I tried to think, to know how I got there. Unfortunately for me, I couldn't wrap my head around it. I couldn't figure out anything.
Do you sleep that deep?
I don't know. Everything is happening so fast.
Ken, I'd like to ask you something.
Okay.
I just want to know your opinion on this issue.
And what?
For instance, someone slept in the bedroom and wakes up in the sitting room. What must have happened to that person?
Oh, well, that can only happen to the one sleeping, walking to the place, or being carried to the sitting room. And this can either happen to someone who sleeps deep.
Sleep deep. So, what is that other one you spoke about? The talking, sleeping, or?
Oh, sleepwalking.
Oh, sleepwalking.
Yeah. We also have sleep talking. This basically happen to those sleeping and talking. Like I said, it can either happen to those persons that sleep deep. Or why do you ask?
I just wanted to know.
I see.
Baby, please, she has to stay with you. I have lots of work to do at the office, so I'll see you guys when you get home.
It's okay.
Okay.
All right, then.
Bye.
Bye.
Princess, come to mommy. So, what's going to happen to our daughter after the divorce?
She's fine. She's in the boarding school, so she stays there.
No, Fred. I'll take her with me.
Who made you the judge of that? Why on earth do you think that you would say what happens with our daughter?
How about your divorce plan? Are you also planning to keep it away from her? Won't you let her know you're divorcing me?
Well, like I said earlier, she's still little. When she comes of age, she would appreciate me for what I did.
Fred, do you think you're doing the best for your family?
I'm doing the best for me.
Including the divorce plan?
Exactly.
So how have you been coping with things?
Joyce, I won't lie to you. It's becoming more frustrating. It happened again. But fortunately for me, I woke up before dawn. I had to quickly go back to the room to sleep with my husband and my child.
God, this is becoming something of great concern.
I think I should go for church counseling. I need to seek spiritual help. I'm confused.
How long has this been going on?
It started a day after he asked me to sign the divorce papers.
I don't know Fred of being diabolic. I would have said he knows something about it.
I'm thinking, are you not sure Fred didn't find out about this and decided to go for divorce other than asking me what's going on? Because I don't understand the sudden change in his attitude.
Perhaps, but he should have found a way to solve it, not a divorce.
What do you want me to say?
Swear, I'm just confused. I don't know what to believe again.
God,
I'm really confused myself, but we have to think of something. This is not normal. I know something is wrong somewhere, but I can't just place my hand on it.
Now that your daughter is back, tell me, will you still go ahead with the divorce?
Princess is only here for vacation. In 3 weeks, she will go back. Moreover, she's still a kid. She doesn't know what is going on.
So one day, she will know the reason you divorced the mother. So what will you do about that?
By then, she must have come of age. And she will agree to me the reason I divorced her mother.
Fred, will you just cut off this whole crap and put your family together?
Can we just stop talking about my family, my personal affair? Really? Yes. And then we'll talk about something else. Maybe work. Oh, that reminds me. Lunchtime is over, so can we just start heading back to work? Remember, you have an account you haven't reconciled yet.
I've done that. And I've submitted it also, which you signed. So what are you talking about? Come up with this whole thing, admit this whole thing and change.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
I'm just confused, especially about the recent experiences. I will sleep in the bedroom, wake up in the living room. I don't know why that is happening to me.
He knows about it?
Yes, and we've been having issues because of it. I'm confused. I can't even wrap my head around how I left the bedroom and walked down to the living room. Okay, let me assume someone is taking me to the living room. The question is, who is the person?
He once told me about it, but he wasn't precise. He didn't even tell me it was you.
He was mad at me the last time. He felt I intentionally, deliberately left the bedroom to the living room. But that's not what happened. I don't know, but I'm confused. I love my husband so much.
Well, it's okay. I'll talk to him, right? But please do not sign any paper for any reason, okay?
I will not. Thank you so much for the lunch. Take me back to my office.
It's okay.
Mommy, I hope you and Daddy will celebrate my birthday in school. Ella's parents celebrated her birthday in school.
Princess, I don't think you celebrate your birthday in school. But trust me, we're going to give you a very big birthday party. How about the amusement park, the biggest one? Hmm?
No, Daddy, please. I want to celebrate my birthday in school.
Don't worry, my princess. You will celebrate your birthday in school. Okay?
Yay! I love you, Mommy.
I love you, my baby.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you too.
Fred, do you want to divorce me because of the constant sleep in the room and waking up in the sitting room?
Far from it.
You lie. I know that's the reason. But that's not the right decision. I'm your wife, for crying out loud. We should come together and look for a solution, not you seeking for a divorce.
And I said far from it.
In case you don't know, I had an awful experience the previous night. Luckily for me, I woke up before dawn and joined you and our child on the bed. How long is this going to keep happening to me?
That's strange.
Strange. Is that all you have to say?
What else will you have me say? Strange. This is strange.
I don't know. I woke up and found myself in the sitting room. I can't tell how I got there.
Listen, let me tell you. If you lose that woman, you're going to regret it.
Ken, my life, my family, my personal business.
You are my friend. And that makes it my business. Also, remember, that woman has done you no wrong. That woman is innocent. I mean, if she have a problem, go ahead and help her out. Not to divorce her.
Ken, we've been friends. You know I'm not a bad person. I don't maltreat her. I don't treat her less than I would treat a queen. But things are not going on well with me.
So you want her out of your life so things can go well with you? Is it what you're saying?
My personal business, I said that earlier.
Oh no. Oh no. This is not personal. There are certain matters that are not personal. And divorce is not one of it.
I think at this point we don't have any conversation anymore.
Really?
Yes, really. Excuse me. Stay out of my car.
I think I'm also done with a lunatic like you.
Stop the nearest cab.
Bounce! Bounce!
Oh, princess. My love. How are you?
I'm fine.
How was your day?
It was great.
Did you miss me?
I missed you.
Welcome, honey.
I'll see you later.
Princess,
Yes, Mommy.
enter the car. Fred.
gotten to this?
Why would you ignore my greetings in the presence of our daughter? What is going on?
I should be the one asking you if it has gotten to you telling Ken. I believe Ken is now your ally.
I don't understand. Make it make sense to me.
Alright. I'll make it make sense to you. I see Ken is now your ally, godfather, best of friends, mentor. He now tells you what to do. So he has the effrontery to come challenge me on what to do in my own house.
Perhaps he challenged you because he knows you're off the track.
I'm off the track. Someone who knows nothing about relationship, courtship, friendship, love, marriage, now talks to me about divorce. What does he know?
I didn't tell him to challenge you. I just complained about your recent attitude to him and he offered to speak to you.
Good. You did well. Guess what? I'm listening to him and I'm not going to divorce you.
Are you serious?
End of discussion. Have you been able to sign the divorce paper yet?
Not yet. Maybe by weekend.
Good. So, have you been able to sort yourself out?
If I haven't, I will ask for more time. And I'm certain you will give.
I cannot guarantee that.
There's always a way around everything.
No. Not everything has a way around it. Not everything you buy through the back door.
You're right. Just like the divorce.